In this video, I will discuss about the constructor. So what is a constructor? A special method to initialize the attributes of an object as objects are instantiated. So whenever the objects are instantiated, I want to call a method here. So that is called as a constructor. So for example, the object is having x, y, z. I want to initialize these variables x, y, z. So by constructor, it is going to initialize and how it is invoked. Whenever the instance is created, automatically the call to the constructor is going to happen. So no need to call it explicitly. The constructor is called whenever the object is created. So constructor can take parameters but never have a return type. So takes no parameters, and if no constructors are defined for a class, then the default constructor comes into the picture. So what is a default constructor which takes no parameter? So it is automatically created by a compiler and it is called during the runtime. So person, a person, new person. So int age is one of the attributes. So this is called whenever the constructor is called automatically. So this is called as a default constructor. So let us try to implement this in the Eclipse. So I have a one class called as a person. So now I have to initialize the age with the help of a constructor. So how to do this? So I am going to, I am not writing any constructor here. If I display that the age of the person, what will be the answer? Suppose say I have one more method, public static public void get age. System.out.println the age of the person. So here the age is going to be displayed here. So automatically I have to call this. I'm not initializing anything. If I don't initialize, automatically the default constructor is going to be called here. So let me run this. What will be the output for this program? It will be 0 because the default constructor is going to initialize the age to the 0 here. Suppose say if I write my own constructor, then the constructor is going to be called here. Suppose say person. So now I am going to initialize age to 34 or some 50. So it doesn't have any return type. I just say public, so such that the object can call that new person. So I am going to create a new person object here p1, and I will say get age. So get age is going to display the age of the person here. So I am going to save this and I am going to execute this. Okay, so run this. So 50 is going to be. So by default now the constructor is going to be called here. Person constructor is going to be called. The default constructor is not going to be called here. The person constructor is going to be called, and age is going to be initialized to 50, and get age is going to display the age of the person here. So this is how it works. So in the further concepts we will discuss about the other things. One more concept that we are remaining is if I want to pass some parameters also I can pass. Suppose say I say this dot age ph. So I say one more variable ph and I am going to pass a parameter. Now I need to pass a parameter here. Suppose say I say 45. So now I need to save this and run this. So 45 is going to be displayed. So this is the constructor that is going to take the parameters. So page, I'm going to pass 45 here, and this age is going to be 45. So this is how age is going to be displayed here. So in further concept, we'll discuss about method overriding and how constructors are going to be overridden. So that is the important concept here.